Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Ito ang inyong energy update for April 16 to 30, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Ayan. Let's see, Taurus, what's coming to you second half ng April 2024. April 16 to 30 for Taurus. Energies for Taurus. Okay. Wow. Medyo emotional kayo ngayon, Taurus. Parang meron kayong iiwanan or something is ending. Okay? Of course, hindi naman to magre-resonate para sa lahat. But it seems that parang meron kayong kailangan ng tapusin na situation. Ito yung tipong hindi mo siya tatapusin dahil ayaw mo na eh. Tatapusin mo siya kasi yun yung tama. Yun yung dapat gawin. Okay? Maaring this can be a relationship na you feel na hindi naman tama na relationship, okay? So, just take whatever resonates para sa inyo. Or isang gawain, trabaho, business, career, na it doesn't feel right anymore na ginagawa mo. Parang hindi ka na nakaka-resonate sa trabaho na yan. Hindi ka na nag-enjoy. Hindi na siya in alignment of your true self, okay? So, I feel like you are letting go of that, pero somehow may lungkot, no, sa inyo. The moon is also about your feelings, your emotions. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, medyo challenging, no, I must say, yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, challenging yung may experience ninyo ngayong second half ng April. It's because of meron kang ipinaglaban na dumating dun sa point na parang ikaw na lang yung lumalaban para dun. Okay? So, you realize na okay, it's time to let go. It's parang ito na, kailangan mo nang bumitaw. Ganon. With the Ten of Swords as your challenge, I think matagal na to, no? Kumbaga, long overdue na siya na dapat matagal ka nang umalis dyan, dapat matagal mo nang inend, pero nga, may sinubukan ka eh, inayos mo pa rin eh. Kaya lang eventually, unti-unti na re-reveal sa'yo, na ipapakita sa'yo kung ano yung totoo. Okay? So ngayon, nare-realize mo, okay, ito na, hindi ko na to pwedeng tanggihan, or hindi ko na to pwedeng ipagsawalang bahala kasi napaka-obvious na nung katotohanan na nabubunyag sa'yo. Okay? So, just take what resonates. This can apply sa isang relationship, romantic, sa isang connection with someone, or sa situation mo sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo. But with your opportunity here, with the Judgment card, this is an opportunity for you to reinvent yourself. It's like a brand new you, a rebirth. Maaring magkakaroon ka ng self-reflection. Ito ba talaga yung relasyon na gusto ko? Siya ba talaga yung taong gusto kong makasama? O meron lang akong pinoproject sa sarili ko na parang pangarap na hindi naman talaga yun yung reality? So, ito ba talaga yung career na gusto ko, yung business na gusto ko? Pero in reality, hindi naman talaga ito yung kung saan nandun yung puso mo. Kasi minsan, gusto lang natin na may maipakita na, okay, this is what is success all about, pero deep within you, iba yung definition mo ng success. Iba rin yung definition ng ibang tao sa success. Kaya yung iba sa inyo, maaring iniisip nyo na kailangan yung maipakita kong success ay yung definition ng success para sa iba. You get what I mean. So, I feel like this time, sarili mo yung iisipin mo. This time, yung success para sa'yo, yun yung ima-manifest mo. And that is your blessing. You will manifest your dream, what you really want, what you've been dreaming about, what you've been manifesting about. Okay? And some of you, the blessing is also about healing your inner child, healing your past trauma, healing anything na pumipigil sa'yo na i-embrace yung totoong ikaw for who you really are. Okay? So, medyo spiritual for some of you, Taurus, itong second half ng April sa inyo. You may expect na minsan magbe-breakdown ka, iyak ka lang inang iyak for no reasons at all. But actually, it's your soul that is releasing those stagnant, old energies na hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. And marirealize mo na after mong umiyak, ang gaan sa pakiramdam. Alam mo yun, na parang nailabas mo na yung mga kinikim-kim mong sama ng loob for so long na ngayon mo lang pala yun magagawa. Okay? So, for your money, career, finances, you have the Sun and the Seven of Pentacles. So, meron ka mga ine-effortan ginagawa ngayon na magiging very successful anytime soon. Kailangan lang maging patient, no? In dealing with that. Willing to wait, oo, kumbaga. May mga bagay na hindi mo kailangang madaliin dahil ito ay ibibigay sa'yo sa tamang panahon. You will enjoy the fruits of your labor at the right time. You also have to take care of yourself. Be careful sa mga makakadeal mo moving forward, especially with money. Lalo na yung may mga pinapangako na too good to be true. Okay? And I think marireveal rin yan sa'yo yung totoong intentions ng mga tao sa paligid mo, sa workplace mo, mga katrabaho mo, mga kadeal mo sa pera. It will be revealed. Okay? Magkakaroon yan ng clarity. And doon mo makikita kung saan ba talaga mas worth it na magbigay ng effort, energy when it comes to your career, business. And also may advancement. There's also career growth for some of you. Pwedeng pagtaas ng sweldo or posisyon sa trabaho. Ayan. So, maaring iba sa inyo may promotion na matatanggap anytime soon. So, ito na yung time para mas i-enhance nyo yung abilities nyo, yung talents nyo, yung skills nyo para pagdating ng opportunity na yan, ikaw ang unang-una sa pila na makakatanggap ng blessing. Oo. So, for your love life, you have the High Priestess and the Three of Wands. I feel like you have learned a lot from your past relationship and now, gusto mo na lang na mas, parang may gusto kang tuklasin pa sa sarili mo with the Three of Wands. I also see you, missing someone. Meron kang namimiss. Pwede itong tao na to, aware ka na ikaw yung nagkaroon ng pagkakamali sa kanya. Tapos, yung mga sumunod na relationship mo, i-compare mo siya. Kaya, dun mo na-realize na, oh my God, may sinayang ka. No? May sinayang ka na relationship or connection. But you feel sorry about it. Ang importante, natutunan mo na yung lesson and you are ready to take a new chapter in your life, to be in a new chapter in your life. Yung iba sa inyo may nagkakaroon ng soul searching, maaring iba, most of you, pwedeng nagta-travel madalas, part of your healing process, and you are definitely healing. Honesty, being honest sa sarili mo. Yung iba sa inyo, merong mga belief system na mas lalo nyong pinapalakas yung inyong pananampalataya. And I feel like merong mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo na merong binibigay na support sa'yo spiritually. Okay? Let's see what else. Uy, may success, oh. Success belongs to you, Taurus. So, you can expect success in whatever you are starting, no, yung mga sisimulan mo ngayon, like what I mentioned kanina, blessing sa'yo ang pagtupad sa mga pangarap mo. As long as alam mo na kailangan mo nang mag-let go, oo, ng mga bagay na alam mo hindi na nag-work for you. Yes, you are also directed, no, redirected to your destiny, to your life's purpose. And you will know, no, na ito ay iyong destiny kapag ramdam mo na yung success mo ay hindi pinilit. Yung success na yan, nag-follow na lang yan after mong i-fulfill yung heart's desires mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!